Hi everyone, I'm Neeraj Chaudhary. Once again, I'm back with a new function and tools that is pivot table. Pivot table function in Excel is a powerful function or tool that allows you to summarize and analyze large amounts of data in a spreadsheet. It's enable you to recognize and summarize the selected columns and rows of data to help you draw its shifts and make a data driven decision. Here are some key things which you can do with a pivot table in Excel. So first is summarize a data. You can quickly summarize a data by creating a calculation such as sums, average, counts and more with the pivot table. Second, rearrange a data. You can easily rearrange a data by dragging and dropping fields to see a different view of your data. Data points to see underlying details. Number 4, to create a pivot table in Excel, you typically select the data which you want to analyze and summarize. So let's learn how to create a pivot table. So firstly, you just select the entire data which you want to analyze or summarize with the pivot table. Whether you can select entire sheet or also can select the particular data which you want to analyze. Now click on the pivot table, go to the insert and click on the pivot table. From table, range. Here Excel is asking whether you want to create a pivot table on existing sheet or you want new worksheet. So both the option. If you want new worksheet, then pivot table will create on new worksheet. So let's go with the new worksheet. Just click on that. Now table is created. So first click on item code. We want item code and drag it down into the raw column. And now we need item description. So just click on and drag it down. Now the location we can just use here in filter column. Zone also we need here. Quantity we need into the values column, and also values we need into the value column. So now just rearrange with the classic views. So just right click here and click on pivot table option, and here display, and the here also need to tick mark classic pivot table layout enables dragging and fields in the grid. So just click on that and OK. Now the data is now right click and do the field setting for the classic view. So now you can see your pivot table is ready. This is your entire item code list, their description, their total quantity, and their total value. Okay. Now you can see if you want to choose here particular location, so you can click on that, and from here you can choose particular location details. If you want to choose another location, you can choose another location. If you want to choose here a particular zone, also you can click here. If you want to choose particular zone, you can have a data of east zone. This is entire east zone you have you can choose a north, you can choose a south, whatever you wanted to choose you can have that particular data in your display. So this kind of things you can use in your day-to-day work as per your requirement. Also if you want to drag it down the zone column here, then data will display like this, like this. So you can uh, analyze and summarize your data as you want. If I want if I want to just zone by total inventory and total value of the total inventory, so also we can have like this zone wise. If I want to just category wise, so just click on, drag it down there, this. If I want location wise, also we can have the details like location wise. I can just drag it down here and click the location over here. That's it. All the location I have: Ahmedabad this much inventory, this is the total value; Bangalore this much inventory, this is the value of inventory; Chennai, Delhi, Guwahati, and so on. So in this basis you can use a pivot table function in Excel uh, as per your requirement at your day-to-day work. And hope you guys have enjoying these classes, and thank you for watching and happy learning. Please like and subscribe the channel. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you for watching.